Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a simple grid-based building system in Unity. So the way it works is you can move your mouse cursor around and then place walls with a mouse click. So I'm just going to show you the code I have for this. So firstly, we have the fall mouse script, which has the vector2 mouse pause and camera cam. So this is basically just getting a game object to follow the mouse position. So it follow this part is just getting it to follow the mouse. But this isn't actually for the placer sprite. It's actually for this mouse follower sprite, and I'll show you why I have a separate sprite for that in a second. But for the grid sprite, this code is a bit complicated, but I'll explain it. So basically, first of all, we have the transform of the position of the mouse and the vector2 mouse pause. So here we have mouse pause equals new vector2 pause of mouse dot transform dot position dot x pause of mouse dot transform dot position dot y. Pause of mouse is just the position of this sprite, which will always follow the mouse, because see, the little blue thing there is the mouse follower sprite. So anyways, that basically just detects the mouse's position. And then we have this script here, which will basically change the position of the wall if the position of the mouse is greater than the transformed up position of the wall. So I have the plus 0.3 and minus 0.3 here just to add a bit of smoothing, because it doesn't exactly work the same way if you don't have it like that. And also, touching mouse is another thing that we have here. So the touching mouse thing is basically detecting if it's touching the mouse or not. And if it's not touching the mouse, then it's able to move. But if it is touching the mouse, then it's not. So also, there's the wall there, which basically just detects if there's a wall there. I'm using physics2d.overlap_area, pause1.transform.position, pause2.transform.position, mouse layer. So pause1.transform.position and 2 are just these two different transforms. I also have a layer mask to say what the wall actually is, because you see in here, I have the wall as a prefab, but it's on the wall layer, and for what wall, it's called wall. So basically, the reason I have a thing detecting if there's a wall there or not is because basically the wall, you can't so you're not able to place a wall where there already is a wall. And also, the reason why I have a separate game object for the mouse follower is because this has a very small box collider, and the box collider is actually detected by the placer object, and it will go around, and so that will detect if the mouse is touching it or not. So then, to actually make the walls, I have this simple script which just detects if it gets the left mouse button, and if there isn't a wall there, then it will create a wall at the current position. So also, you should be sure to have the corners at a place that's not on the exact corner, but a little inwards. You can see the corners a little inwards. That's basically so it doesn't detect a wall on the side, because that can cause some issues, like not letting you place walls next to each other. And yeah, here's the whole script. So yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more amazing content. Bye.